Have you ever wondered about the history and benefits of the humble onion in your kitchen? This seemingly ordinary vegetable holds a story that spans centuries, continents, and cuisines. The onion, scientifically known as Allium cepa, hails from the heart of Central Asia. It's one of the first plants that our ancestors domesticated, and over the ages, it has evolved into a diverse array of varieties. From the mild, sweet white onion to the richly colored red onion and the delicate shallot, each type of onion boasts its unique flavor profile. But onions offer more than just a burst of flavor. They're a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins like C, B6, and folic acid, and vital minerals such as potassium and phosphorus. Onions also contain organosulfur compounds and antioxidants, substances that have been linked to cancer prevention and heart health. In the culinary world, the onion is a superstar. It forms the aromatic base of countless dishes and soups and often plays a secret role in gourmet recipes. Whether raw or cooked, onions contribute a wide spectrum of flavors and textures, from sweet to spicy, from crunchy to tender. Beyond the kitchen, onions have a storied history in medicine. They're hailed for their anti-inflammatory properties, their support of respiratory health, and their ability to boost the immune system. Their sulfur compounds and antioxidants also play a role in maintaining heart health and the circulatory system. Innovation continues to shape the world of onions. From traditional growing methods to cutting-edge techniques and newly developed varieties, the onion industry is ever adapting to meet the evolving needs of consumers. To sum it all up, the onion is far from a simple cooking ingredient. It's a crucial thread in the tapestry of human history, a pillar of culinary culture, and a boon for our health. When we appreciate its diversity, its nutritional value, and its culinary potential, we open up a new dimension in our kitchens and our healthy lifestyles. The onion is, without a doubt, one of the most versatile and useful ingredients in gastronomy. If this culinary journey has sparked your interest, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos.